Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off a safe chat in Roblox PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Roblox and you just need to select the more option on the left and select settings. In here you need to select the account info. You just need to set age to at least 13 years old if you are actually 13 years old, and it requires your ID to verify your age. After changing it, you just need to go to privacy. In privacy, account restrictions are disabled. You just need to turn it off. And after turning off, under communication, click on the drop down and select custom. And who can message me, select everyone. And who can text chat with me in app, select friends. Who can text chat with me, you just need to click on the drop down and select everyone. After doing this, you just need to select the parental controls on the left side. In here you need to disable the parent pin, guys. If you are a parent, then you just need to think twice before doing this. After doing all these steps, safe chat has been disabled, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.